Hey, it's Brandon from the Smart Home Co. here. Want to answer a quick question here. So we get a lot of questions about what's the best Wi-Fi system I should go with. So we get emails, text, and just random people asking out and about what should they do about their home Wi-Fi, because you get your internet coming in from your internet service provider, your ISP, from AT&T, Comcast, with Xfinity, Charter Spectrum, and they put a box in your house that is supposed to push out Wi-Fi to your entire house. Well, that's like trying to yell from the small room in your basement, or trying to yell from your bedroom to someone that's across the house or in another room or on another floor. You can't hear them, or you won't hear them at all. So think of it in that way. So with other Wi-Fi systems that are on the market, you may see mesh Wi-Fi systems out there. You may also see some more advanced Wi-Fi systems out there that use access points that are hardwired in. There are many options out there for you. So connect with us today, because we can do an assessment and let you know kind of what the options are based on what you're looking for. Do you have a larger home that's spread out? Do you have a guest house? Do you have some of the other things that may complicate the system a little bit more? How many devices are you connecting on the network? Are you needing, to separate out your networks and have the ultimate control over everything? Do you want to see everything? Do you want those advanced security options? So, these are the many questions that we'll ask during our assessment, so that way we can accurately gauge what you need and create a plan for you, and actually lay everything out for you so you can understand what your options are. So give us a call today, connect with us, and we'll be able to help you out. And we can't wait to work with you on your next project. Take care.